So every once in a while, Canvas does do something right. And one thing that they did that is a very awesome feature is you can now send something to another teacher. So if you are using something and they're like, ooh, I want to use that too, you can go to send to and type in their name, and Canvas will find them, and you can go ahead and send it to them. So that is one awesome feature. Another thing is if you have multiple Canvas courses like I do, and I have similar assignments or the same assignments for certain classes, I can copy to find my other course. So I can scroll to get through all these accelerated ed classes, and I can find my course. Say I want to go to that one, and I can even put it in the module that I want if there's a module, and hit copy. So super easy peasy to get those assignments in other courses, and not only your courses, to other teachers.